Hello Lancers, this is Mr. Gaudet, and I just want to share one of the final steps as you get ready for your LancerX presentation on Monday and Tuesday. So this particular part is where you're going to take your portfolio and you're going to publish it, and then you are going to share the link with us so that we'll be all ready to go when it's time for your presentation. So if you take a look at my screen, you'll notice I've got my ePortfolio. It looks all fancy. I've customized it. I've made it mine. I've got my vision board. I've got the About Me. I've got my 5Cs. I've got it all. So, and even if you want to change it later, you can still do so. But what you're going to do to share your link is you're going to go up to the top right-hand corner right here by my picture, right up there, and you're going to choose Share. Then once you've chosen Share, you're going to have to choose Publish. And then, so choose Publish, and it's just going to take a second, and now you're going to see that I have a link here. So what you're going to do is copy that link. It's automatic. Just click on it. You'll notice it says the link is copied. And then you're going to go close that window, and you're going to go to your dashboard on eKadence. You'll click on LancerX, which is right here behind my picture. And then you're going to see it in two places. But the one place that you can always find it is if you go to Modules, you'll notice where it says LancerX ePortfolio Link Submission Form. So click on that and very simply fill out the form. You're going to use your name, first name, last name, your ID number, and we need the name of your second period teacher in case we have some questions about your link, and then choose 7th and 8th grade, and then you'll paste that link to your ePortfolio right there. Alright, so that's very simple, easy way to do it. Publish your ePortfolio, copy the link, then go to Modules on LancerX and submit your form. Alright Lancers, we'll be checking out to make sure that you've all submitted your form, and if need be, we'll contact you through your second period teacher to make sure that all is done. Teachers, as always, thanks for everything that you do, and I need you to please make sure and answer any questions your students might have. And if you need to rewatch this beautiful video, feel free. It is here for your use. Thanks everybody. Looking forward to seeing you at LancerX, where you get to show what you know.